Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Dodge's 2003 to 2012 Ram 3500 dually. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities and follow all manufacturers' safety precautions and specifications. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift the rear of the truck and rest it on a jack stand. Remove the rear wheel and rear fender liner. Step 3. Unbolt the spring bumper from the auxiliary bracket. Then, cut off the bracket with a cutting tool. Step 4. Grind the bracket mounting location to bare metal. Apply a weld-through primer. Step 5. Paint the surfaces on the bracket which will be covered by the spring bumper. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 6. Use the OE bracket silhouette to align the replacement. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the bracket in place, then weld all edges of the bracket. Step 7. Paint any exposed bare metal with rust protectant. Finally, rebolt the bumper to the bracket. Reinstall the rear fender liner and reinstall the wheel.